Hello everyone. Next, as you can see, this sock has a tear. So now make this tear and lift it up as such. Put the needle through it and then afterwards make multiple loops around the needle with the thread and then afterwards pull it through in order to make this dot. Using the rest of it, begin to make this loop stitch out of the edge and then afterwards at the back of it, make these longer stitches and then afterwards begin to go backwards as a second layer. Once again, make it into this loop stitch and then continue to go and build up layers upon layers. Now it'll continue on and then build up the central framework of it. Now as you progress with it, this is what it'll look like. Move from one side to the other as such, draw it together and then afterwards stitch the top. Now take the sleeve, fold it over once. Now put the thread through it as such. Now make this V-shaped stitch out of it. In order to do so, once again loop the thread around the needle. Make the smaller V-shape to it as well. Now after you're done with this, now move on to the other side of it. Now repeat the same step on the other side as well. Now they will look like cat ears. Proceed to make whiskers out of this. Now as you're making the whiskers, as you can see we have made 3 stitches and then draw them together in the center. Next, start off by taking the strap, fold it over. Now add a horizontal stitch into it as such. Add another one right underneath it and then afterwards make this one into a V-shaped stitch. Now take some red thread and now afterwards make multiple rounds with the thread around the needle as such. Do the same on the other side and now you have the cherry design. Next, take a pair of jeans and at the bottom, make this downward facing V cut to it. Begin to make multiple slits to the jeans as such at the bottom and then afterwards continue to do it onto the other side as well. Now after this, once you're done with it, scrunch it up as such, roll it between your palms. Now it'll have a rather rough look. Next, take this pair of pants and then afterwards cut straight through it as such. Now after you're done with this, then make it as even as possible, fold it over and then begin to stitch in this folded portion of it. Thread the needle and then afterwards stitch from underneath to begin with. Then afterwards make this horizontal stitch to it. In order to get this horizontal stitch, then you have to stitch it vertically. Now we have made a diagonal. Continue to do so. Once again go vertically. It'll show like this mountainous shape at the top. However, behind it'll be a double line stitch. Now continue to do so on either side of it. Go an entire circle out of it and then after you go an entire circle, then it'll stay fastened in this place and then you can wear it as it has been shortened to become the adequate length. Make sure that you go precisely the same length as all of the other stitches. As you can see that we are doing, we are maintaining the same V-shape length all throughout. Now if you look at the back, that is what it should look like. Make sure that you go all the way throughout as well. Next, as you can see, the zipper for this is broken out. So now take this thread and then slowly begin to make multiple horizontal stitches on it. In order to make these horizontal stitches, we are going vertically along the lines of both the zippers. Now continue to do so, and as you continue to do so, this is what it should look like. You may also pick a color that is more accurate to the cloth piece that you have taken as such. Now continue to go from side to side and make these horizontal stitches as such, and then afterwards go up till the desired length. Once you reach the desired length, then pull it all tight together. As you pull it tight together, then the stitches will no longer be visible and it will be covered up and there will be no need for the zipper as well. This will be the final look of it. Thank you for watching.